Hi, welcome to my channel, Decoupage D.I.Y with Joan-Marie Domino. Today, I'm going to show you how to decoupage a wood heart and add a transfer. I bought the heart from Target and it was already painted white. I'm using the top layer of a napkin I got from VIPPIES Designs, www.vippies.com. I'm putting on some decoupage glue and I'm going to cover the entire heart, put a nice layer on, not too thick. Then I'm going to take the napkin and I'm going to place it on top, smooth it with my fingers just a little bit, and I am going to take a piece of saran wrap. I'm going to put that on top, and I'm going to take a crumpled up piece of napkin and I'm going to smooth it down, getting rid of the wrinkles, and the napkin is going to adhere really well. I'm gently removing the piece of saran wrap. Then I'm going to take my little heat gun and I'm going to go over it so that the glue dries. And once the glue is dry, I'm going to take my finger sander and I'm going to go all the way around the edge in a downward stroke. All of that extra napkin is going to come right off. And when I'm finished, I'm going to have a nice clean edge. Now for my next step, I'm going to use some of my gold rub-and buff, which is a pasty wax metallic. I'm using a makeup applicator and I'm putting the gold paste onto that, and I'm going around the outer edge of the heart, and I'm doing some on the side as well, and I'm going to do that all the way around. Now I'm going to be using my Sure Bonder hot glue gun. I'm going to put a nice generous amount of glue up there at the top. The little rose I got came from a big bunch I bought from the Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to press it down really well. I want to make sure that it's well adhered. Now I'm going to apply the transfer. The transfer has lettering that's printed in gold attached to a piece of plastic. I'm going to place it down there underneath the rose. I'm going to smooth it down a little bit with my finger. As you can see, that's where the transfer is going to be. This is a bone folder or a burnisher, and I'm going to rub the plastic on top of the plastic really hard, and by doing that, the letters are transferring from the piece of plastic onto my wooden heart right on top of that napkin. And now you know how to decoupage and add a transfer. Visit my YouTube channel, Decoupage D.I.Y with Joan-Marie Domino. My beautiful napkins come from VIPPIES Designs, www.vippies.com. I'll see you on Facebook and Instagram as well.